Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to apply for credit card on Amazon shopping. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open your preferred web browser and search for Amazon credit card and click on the first link. Now, to apply for Amazon credit card, you can see a Learn About the Card button. Click on it. From here, you can simply click on Apply Now to apply for the Amazon credit card. And that's it. That's how you can apply for Amazon credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.